Guys, you won't believe this. Puprime is doing a promotion that offers 100% deposit bonus. I'm not a professional advisor, but let's get it on. Alright guys, so this is the landing page of Puprime. Link to this will be in the description of the video. This is one of the best online trading platforms there is that you could choose from. So you could go ahead and check out their website. And we also created a dedicated video that talks about who Puprime is, what they do, who they are, and what are the things that we love the most on Puprime that benefits us users of the platform. So in this video, guys, we will be focusing on this one right here. 100% deposit bonus. So Puprime is offering a compelling 100% deposit bonus, and that is designed to reward both the new and the existing traders with extra capital to enhance their trading potential. So this promotion allows eligible clients to double their initial deposit, which gives them more flexibility and margin to explore the markets confidently. And by participating, the traders will receive a bonus that is equal to 100% of their qualifying deposit, which they can use to open larger positions, manage risk more effectively, and of course, diversify their strategies across different instruments. Now, to claim the bonus, guys, traders simply need to register or log into their Puprime account, make a qualifying deposit, and apply for the bonus through the client portal. So the bonus is credited promptly and is available for trading across a wide range of markets, which also includes Forex, you have commodities, indices, and cryptocurrency. So while the bonus amount cannot be withdrawn directly, profits earned from that trading with the bonus funds are fully withdrawable, and that is subject to Puprime's terms and conditions. So this promotion is actually attractive to active traders that are looking to maximize their trading power without the additional capital outlay. So it also improves a strong incentive for beginners to start trading with increased volume and exposure, which also gives them the opportunity to test strategies and gain experience to be a better trader in the future. So with its reputation for fast execution, competitive spreads, and robust trading infrastructure, Puprime, guys, is continuing to attract traders globally, and this 100% deposit bonus offer further underscores Puprime's commitment to supporting its client with value-added services and promotions that enhances their trading journey. And of course, guys, you can go ahead and check out this website. All right, I will put this in the description of the video. That way you could head onto this page yourself. And of course, check this one out. Do your own research. That way you would know what you're getting yourself into. And so you could also make informed decisions when you are investing. And of course, guys, if you want to also do your own research and get to know Puprime more, tabs on top, which will then help you out. So you have Company About Us. You also have Learn here. Okay, this one is one of the things that I really love about Puprime, is that they have this for their traders to learn more on how to do technical analysis, how to do a lot of stuff in trading. So you got to go ahead and check this one out. And of course, if you're new to the channel, I hope you would consider clicking that like, that subscribe, click that bell. That will always be notified when I upload new videos like this in the future. I'll see you on the next. I'm out. Peace.